collective action. The level of compliance to the COVID-19 guidelines issued has been generally good across the country. I wish to thank you all most sincerely for the great sacrifice you are making for each other at this critical time. I will take this opportunity to recognize the massive support from our traditional rulers, the Christian Association of Nigeria, and the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs during this pandemic. I also acknowledge the support and contributions received from public spirited individuals, the business community, and our international partners and friends. I must also thank the media houses, celebrities, and other public figures for the great work they are doing in sensitizing our citizens on hygienic practices, social distancing, and issues associated with social gatherings. As a result of the overwhelming support and cooperation received, we were able to achieve a lot during these 14 days of initial lockdown. We implemented comprehensive public health measures that intensified our case identification, testing, isolation, and contact tracing capabilities. To date, we have identified 92% of all identified contacts, while doubling the number of testing laboratories in the country and raising our testing capacity to 1,500 tests per day. We also train over 7,000 healthcare workers on infection prevention and control while deploying NCDC teams to 19 states of the Federation. Lagos and Abuja today have the capacity to admit some 1,000 patients each across several treatment centers. Many state governments have also made provisions for isolation wards and treatment centers. We will also build similar centers near our airports and land borders. Using our resources and those provided through donations, we will adequately equip and man these centers in the coming weeks. Already, healthcare workers across all the treatment centers have been provided with the personal protective equipment that they need to safely carry concerned about the increase in number of confirmed cases and deaths being reported across the world and in Nigeria as March 2020, when we started our lockdown in conforming medical and scientific advice, the total number of confirmed cases cases in Nigeria. Most of our efforts will continue to focus in these two locations. Confirmed cases in Lagos and the FCT are individuals with recent criminal history or those that came in contact with returnees from international trips. By closing out business owners. With this in mind, we carefully considered the briefings and report from the Presidential Task Force and the various options offered. It has become necessary to extend restriction of movement in Lagos and other states as well for another 14 days, effective from 11 the current social register be expanded 2.6 million households to 3.6 million households in the next 2 weeks. This means